Hello everyone, welcome back to Rabi English, where you learn English daily in a simple and easy way.
Wake up early. Wake up early. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Please close the door. Please close the door. Open your book. Open your book. Do your homework. Do your homework. Speak in English. Speak in English. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Sit down quietly. Sit down quietly. Stand in a line. Stand in a line. Help your mother. Help your mother. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Don't fight with friends. Don't fight with friends. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Learn new words daily. Learn new words daily. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. Pray before sleeping. Pray before sleeping. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.